How to activate Bank of America credit card. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can activate the Bank of America credit card. For this, you want to open up any web browser and head over to bankofamerica.com. Now you want to tap on the login option. Now here you will have to enter your user ID and then your password. Tap on the login option after you have entered all the details. Now here you want to click on the option of activate a credit card, which is found under the account services. Now you will have to enter all the details including your new credit card number, expiration date and the CVV number which is available on the back of the card. After entering the required information, review it for accuracy, then submit your activation request. Upon successful activation, you should receive confirmation that your Bank of America credit card is now active and ready to use. You can also activate the card by dialing the phone number provided on the sticker attached to your new credit card, or you can also visit the Bank of America website for the activation phone number. All you have to do is follow the automated prompts. After your identity has been verified, your credit card will be activated. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.